Hey guys, today we're making this delicious, wiggly, jiggly orange dessert made from real orange juice. This is a quick way to make a fruit-based jelly that accompany any dessert. If you love oranges, if you love dessert, then definitely you have to try this recipe. You will not go back to a packaged jelly. This is fast, this is easy, amazing, delicious, and relieve your childhood memories. This is Vince, and let's right jump into it. Okay, to make this easy recipe, first we're going to cut this orange and squeeze, and we're basically extracting its juice into the glass below. If you have a squeezer, then congratulations, much better because you can do it easily. This is 4 pieces of medium-sized orange, and each piece contains, produced 3.1 ounce. So this is 12.4 ounces in total, which is equivalent into 370 ml, more or less. If you are new to my channel, hello to you, welcome. Make sure to subscribe and click that notification bell if you haven't done yet for more upcoming and easy delicious recipe. I post new video every week. Follow me on my Facebook page. Follow me on my Instagram because I love seeing your recreation, guys. We're going to transfer this fresh juice into the saucepan. This is what I have, so this is what I'm working with. You can cook this on casserole, star vessel, frying pan. It doesn't matter. So use and work with what you have. Okay? So then we're going to add 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. You can use jelly powder if you have those. Along with this, I've added sugar. I will leave all the measurement in the description box below. Give it a good stir and turn on the flame into medium-low heat while continue on stirring until our mixture becomes paste-like or thickens.
Feel uninvited. Left home in West LA. I'm not excited. So uninspired. On my way to play the bay while you're alone.
So then we're going to transfer immediately this mixture into the bowl or in a glass or in a plate or in a Tupperware. It's up to you guys. Let it cool completely. Place it in the fridge from anywhere between 2 to 3 hours. Alright, fast forward. After 3 hours, your orange dessert is ready. Believe it or not, we're done. How easy it is, guys. We're going to transfer this mixture in a plate, and look at that, guys. Beautiful texture. So smooth, silky, shiny. It seems like she shines like a queen. We're going to slice this shiny baby, and we're going to dredge it. Now we're going to coat this with coconut powder.
Love me, love me, love me. Touch me, touch me, touch me. Love me, love me, love me. Touch me, touch me, touch me. I'm so divided, starstruck, but hate has got some indecisive. I'm over fighting. I just can't wake up cold and sleep alone. This boy's some trouble. When he's around, my problems seem like double. His stupid eyes put me on ice, so no, no. Don't slow me down, don't wanna do this solo. Why don't you love me, love me, love me? Touch me, touch me, touch me no more. Why don't you love me?
Is it, you guys? We're finally done. So relax, enjoy, and grab yourself 1, 2, 3, 4 slices of this amazing jiggly melt in your mouth orange sweet dessert. The best food in this world is the food which brings back all the memories of your childhood. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoy and try this amazing and easy recipe. Don't forget to share, comment, like, and subscribe. Life is uncertain. Eat dessert first. The secret ingredients for delicious recipe is always love. Until then, take care everyone. God bless and see you on my next video.